This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by force restarting the device to clear transient software locks. Hold power plus volume down until it reboots. Once done, unlock and confirm the screen responds. This rules out simple freezes. Next, make sure screen overlays or floating apps are off in settings because they can block swipe gestures. You want to remove that variable now so subsequent steps target the notification system itself. If the swipe still fails, proceed immediately to the next, deeper checks without reinstalling apps yet. Now dive into System Services, open Apps, show System Apps, find System UI and clear its cache, then force stop and let it restart. This targets the notification shade process directly. Next, verify gesture settings under System Gestures to ensure notification shade is enabled. Some OEM skins hide or remap it. Once configured, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If pull-down works in safe mode, an app is causing the issue. If not, proceed to a system-level reset. Complete the fix by backing up personal data and first choosing Reset App Preferences. This restores default app behaviors without deleting files. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset after backup to repair corrupted system settings. Once reset, update the OS immediately to patch known bugs. Make sure to retest pull-down after each step so you know which action fixed it. If none of this works, contact the device manufacturer with a summary. Safe mode result, System UI cache cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.